Hello. And welcome to my video. Let's talk about
Affiliate tip. Build a website. Niche affiliate websites. How to make money with niche websites. One of the first things you should do as an affiliate marketer is to build your own website. Yes, you can market affiliate programs without it by adding links to your email or signature file on message boards, but you will be very limited in how much you can earn this way. Building a website allows you to expose the products you are promoting to a much larger audience with less effort. Decide on a topic. Your first step is to decide what you would like your website to be about. Find a topic you like, something you are passionate about. You will be spending a lot of time creating content for your site, so it may as well be something you enjoy reading and writing about. Pick a domain name. Use a site like register.com, or your web host site to research available domain names. It helps to have one of your major keywords in your domain name. So if you decided your website will be about growing roses, try to work rose in the domain name. Hosting. The next step is to set up a web hosting account. You should be able to get by with a basic personal website package to begin with. Get some recommendations from others when it comes to choosing the actual hosting company. You want a service that is reliable and has good customer service. Site builder or software. Let's talk about how you can build your website. Your options are using a site builder, like internetbasedfamilies.com, or software like Microsoft FrontPage, or my favorite X-Site Pro. A site builder is usually easier to use in the beginning and hosting is included. Getting traffic to the site. Your last step will be getting traffic to your site. Optimize your pages for search engines to get free traffic. You can also write articles and submit them to article directories. Pay-per-click advertising and buying ads on other related sites or newsletters are also great ways to drive traffic to your site.
Please click the link in description for more information. Bye.